Well, I've installed the beds and I've installed the cabinet, and I think this is getting pretty far along. I wanted to give you a quick look. Um, that's what the cubby hole ended up looking like. The beds are no longer 4-bar link. I just have a 1 link on both beds. Um, the links wouldn't cross each other, and they'll still go to where the places where I want. The upper bed will go and make it into a couch. We also bought this set point refrigerator that slides in under the front of the bed so we can access it from the cab. I have a light on the bottom of this cabinet, and I think that's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to get that wired up tonight. There's the fan light in. I took the piece of ceiling that when I cut out and I made it so it would go in there and insulate it when I want it to be warm inside the vehicle. So that's where I am today. I'm gonna put the countertop in now. Oh yeah, and one of the mattresses in. Looks pretty cool.